Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good, thanks.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Where am I from? I'm from South Africa, and currently I live in France.
That when I grab an English teacher from UK or United States, they are just living, whether it would be France or Thailand. Most of the teachers are from the Thailand, I guess.
Oh, so most teachers are from Thailand, but they live somewhere else.
No, I said that most of the teachers are from United Kingdom and United States, but they're living in Thailand right now.
They live in Thailand. Ah, that's interesting.
Yeah. So, and it has been fun. I know that talking to someone and getting paid for that, that's pretty amazing things too.
That's true. That's true. It's nice. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Bangladesh.
Okay, India.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, near India. It's a neighborhood country.
Okay.
So what's the situation of pandemic right now in France?
In France, the pandemic, it's not so bad. I think the big wave has passed. People aren't really talking too much about that. Everyone still wears masks and everyone is getting vaccinated. So that's what's happening in France with the pandemic. Other than that, most people, because it's the holiday season in France, so most people are just going on holiday, and I think people are more relaxed right now. So that's what's happening. Yeah.
But at the very beginning of the pandemic situations, France has been passing a very hard time, and the world is worried about.
So what was your last sentence? The world is worried about France. Okay. Okay.
Was worried about France. The pandemic situation was really tough in France.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah. So were you living France or was happening?
Not when it started. Yeah. I came just after the big hype with the pandemic. Yes. Yeah.
So what do you do for living? Is it just on Cambly, or you do something else other than teaching on Cambly?
Well, for now it's on Cambly. I recently moved to France, so I'm just getting my life together here. And for now, I'm in transition. So in South Africa, I worked at a university and I was in communications. And so that's where I came from. And now I've moved over into a new life phase and I'm starting out again in France.
So are you living alone or you married?
I live with my fiance.
So you're not married, but you are going to marry.
Yes, exactly.
So, well, I wish you have a good life with your fiance, or would be a husband.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Is this? Do you like him, or just love him from the very beginning when you wanted to meet him?
That's an interesting question. What are you asking? Did I like him from the beginning?
Yeah.
Is that what you're asking?
Yeah. How did you meet?
Well, we met in South Africa. And yes, and then we had a bit of a long distance relationship for a while. And yes, I did like him from the beginning. But of course, it just took some time to get to know each other. But yes. No, it's a very it's interesting to meet someone like that and have a relationship, you know. I think in a way it must mean that you are quite serious, that, you know, you like each other quite a lot. Yes.
Yeah. When two people are knowing each other, relationship must be, we have to feel each other from their own perspectives. So that's what makes our relationship strong. I'm not really philosopher of relationship because I'm still 24, but I do know some things about relationship, because relationship based on trust or believeness, that's what makes the relationship stronger or long enough. In Bangladesh, I do talk about Bangladesh. I don't know much about other country. cultures. But I do feel about something that if I trust someone, then our relationship would be the much longer.
Yes, of course. Trust is the most important part in a relationship. It's true. It's true.
Yeah,
but I think
we have to lay or get guard down with someone else. That's what relationship is, I guess.
Yes, letting your guard down, and then to be able to reach that point where you can let your guard down. That means you must be in a healthy place for yourself.
Yeah, that's exactly the right thing. Yeah. So how long have you been on Cambly, teaching on Cambly?
In Cambly? Oh, I only just started this week.
You just started this week, and I have been on Cambly for about 2 months. Just to practice my English a little bit, because I'm an IELTS candidate. I want to pursue my IELTS exam in next year.
Okay,
that's why
perfect.
I'm Cambly to practice my English. That's the basic things. And I just want to experience that how can I express myself? How can I communicate with a native speaker?
Yes.
So that's what makes me feel confident when I speak with a native speaker or native tutor from like you. That makes me feel confident that I can speak with native speaker. I do understand their accent. They understood me, and that's enough. Yes. Because communication is something that when I understand you and when I express my fear, express my feelings and express my emotions, thought, everything. That's what the language is. Language is not the subject, I guess. Because when I took language as subject, I'm really pretty bad at that, because I have got CGET on English twice, in secondary education and higher secondary education twice. And that's why I haven't been good luck with getting into the university. And that's what my motivation comes from, that I have to learn English like a native one, so that I can thrive myself in front of my friends. Yeah.
Well, so are you a student, or what are you doing right now?
Yeah, I'm a student, and I'm doing freelancing right now, because pandemic situation is really tough in Bangladesh right now. We are still under lockdown. So, and I have been doing freelancing for about 2 years, and it's been a really good job for me, because as I do, I'm really good at that. That's what makes me feel happy, because I have made quite a lot of money by doing freelancing at home. So, but I want to go to Canada for my master's degree, and that's why I'm studying with the languages. I want to pursue at least 4 languages, like the French, Italian, Spanish, and German. Right now, I'm working on my German languages, but it's totally tough language to learn, I guess.
Yes, it's different from the Latin languages. Yes.
Yeah. But
what do you freelance in? What is your area?
I'm doing right now the affiliate marketing. It's called. I have to promote some others product. That's why I've been getting paid up. And recently I've started YouTube channels for art and craft channels. Right now. That's why I've been passionate about.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so do you like being creative? Exactly, enjoy it. Yes, and then discover more as you do it.